Okay, now this sunglasses is super gorgeous. Look at this, guys. It is super nice. I just wish I have more nose. It's really perfect. I love it. Hey guys, it's Dani again here and welcome back to my channel. So I don't know how long it has been since I did an unboxing video. Maybe it's been 3 months or like 4 months, I'm not sure. But anyhow, I'm back with vengeance, and I'm very excited because I am going to unbox this 2 huge like boxes right here, and I'm going to show you all what I got. So let's go ahead and start with this skinny ones right here. So see, so I got this with a when was that, Memorial Day. So I had a little discount when I purchased this, and I have been thinking of getting this one for a very long time now. But I'm thinking, is it worth it? Is it like really good? So I have so much consideration to make, but yeah. So finally I decided to get it, and it's excited. I mean, not it, them. So we'll start with this one, because when I opened the big box, this one came out first. Here it is. The Dyson Curl hair straighten. So this is a beauty. Look at this. I mean, it's heavy too, super heavy. So this box after box after box here. Okay, there you go. Well, see, this is super heavy, guys. I know some of you have one like this, and they box it pretty good, like oh my gosh. Let me see. Dyson, oh, fancy. Well, look at this. Look at this. I don't know about my lighting today. It's weird, but it doesn't matter. I just want to show you guys how. I mean, okay. Look, isn't it amazing? It's amazing, and I like the velvety cloth that comes with it. So when I purchased this, I had a chance to get freebies because the Dyson website have a promotion. So I got so lucky, and I got about attachments for free. I think that's the wire, and this is not the attachment for sure. So we'll go ahead and open this. I got maybe 2 or 3 attachments for free with this purchase. So I have been wanting to purchase this in Sephora or Ulta or even in Neiman Marcus, but you know, I realized I don't have much of a freebie in the store. It really depends on the time that you want to get it. But you know, I went ahead and decided to just get it from their website because I like freebies. So one of the freebies is this one. It's the Dyson Supersonic brush, the hairbrush. So nice. And another one is for sure, this is the detangler brush. Oh yeah, it's free. Why not? I like free. But you just box it like, oh, okay. Here. There you go. So that comes with the purchase, and they give me free shipping, 2 days free shipping. Okay, all right. So Now we'll start opening the big one. So let's just open the big one like this. Easier like this. This is so exciting. Okay, so I kind of went like overboard with all the Dyson because I think they gave me $100 off with my entire purchase because of the Memorial Weekend. They're very generous. So yeah, so I didn't just get one, so I got two and plus extra like freebies. Now, okay, let's do this one. This one is beauty, and oh my gosh, I have been watching like reviews in YouTube about this one for a year, and it took me forever to decide if I'm going to get it. But yeah, I finally got it, and it comes with all the attachment, all the smoothing nozzles, its styling concentrator and diffuser. So very, very exciting. Can't wait to use them. And here's another box. Box after box after box. I don't know what it is because I don't know, it's been 2 months. I didn't open it yet. I had so much going on. And I was busy. I didn't have time to unbox it. So yeah. Okay. All right, we're here. Okay, this is the best freebie. It comes with a box that you can put your hair dryer. So I'm not gonna open it yet. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see it. So here it is. Smells like that leather. Fresh leather. So, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. It looks so gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to use both of them. Look at this. All the beauty inside one box and all the attachment. Super pretty. It really matched with the whole thing here, like this classic original color of the Dyson. Okay, now let's do this. The boxes are really good. Oops. Perfect, because I didn't brush my hair yet. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Super good in the scalp. It's super good. And last one. Let's see this one right here. Oh my gosh, I don't have my eyeglasses. Okay. There. Let's see. Look. Nice. Now, let's try these. The blower and the hair straightener. Let's go. So, we'll try the hair dryer. And thanks to my husband for his special participation for today's vlog. He will dry my hair. So, yeah, a few things I want to point out. So this is the power. So you just click to the top like that. And this is the fan, like low, medium, and then high. You can hear the high. And this is if you don't want any heat. So this is like the cold. And then if you want it more like hot, so this is the low, medium, and high. And this is like the filter if you want to filter the air to prevent from the dust, maybe like filtered, non-filtered, like that. So isn't it amazing, guys? So neat. And this one is super magnetic, I believe. Look, no effort at all. It's just a magnet itself. It feels so nice in the scalp. Excuse our bed, it's so messy. Wow. So we kind of like playing with all the attachments here for y'all to see. So this is like the diffuser. Oh, it feels so good in the scalp. Oh my gosh. Kind of like drying your hair at the same time, like massaging your scalp. Oh, it's amazing. I think it really is worth the price of all the chiche boriche attachments you can get. And the feel of it feels so nice. And then after like few minutes, my hair is just dry. My scalp is not even hot like the other hair dryer. It's amazing, guys. It dries super quick and not non-stop. I didn't even iron my hair yet, but look, it dries quick. There. Perfectly dry. Now it's time to iron my hair. Okay, so look at this, guys. Super magnetic, effortless. So if you turn this on like this, it should show here that it's on, the battery's full. But I don't know what happened. This is completely brand new, but when they ship it to me, they didn't have the thing here. This is like a little plug-in that supposed that you can use it, because if there's no plug in here, meaning it's automatically like airplane mode, and when it arrived, it doesn't come with that thing. So I need to call the Dyson. And they told me they will ship it in 2 days, or like overnight shipping, but it didn't happen. I need to wait for another like 1 week or 8 days. So basically didn't do what they promised. I'm very disappointed on that. But anyhow, I really enjoyed the hair dryer because it's effortless and it dries for less than like a minute. So it's amazing. This is just the iron is just really, you know, disappoint me, because I don't know why. I asked them if it's common that they forgot this little thing, which is very important. Super small. So this is the thing. This is super small, but this is the main important part of the Dyson Curl hair straightener. So here, you needed to put this here for you to be able to use your iron. Without this thing is useless. It won't work. Okay. I don't know how to. Okay, now. Oh, it's just so difficult. Oh my gosh. Let me see here. Oh my gosh, no. So let's see if it's gonna work now. There's so much going on this one. So yeah, turn it on again. And that's the battery. It's full right now. Okay, finally it works after so many times of trying. So this is really the most important thing, and they make it so difficult. And right now we'll do 365, I guess, and let's wait until it's get hot. Ooh, it started to get hot now. Okay, we'll start to iron my hair and see if it works good. See, it's like there's a check right here. It says ready to go. So I wasn't so fast. Look at this. Wow. Well, it works really good. The only problem and disappointment that I have is the little airplane chip that you need to insert, because without that your iron will stay on an airplane mode and you can't use it. But look how this thing work. See, so it's even straight. So my hair is over like straight right now. We'll do the other side right here. Wow, it really is. It feels so good. See, it's not too hot compared to like the other two hair straightener that I have, but this works super straight. Look at that. Yeah, so nice. So I will continue, you know, ironing my hair, and then I will show you guys the after. Which is so nice. And then if your iron is like fully charged, you don't need like the wire, because it comes with a battery on it. Look at this guys. I'm not really good at ironing my hair by myself, but I tried so hard for you guys to see. Look at that. Right there. It works good. Looks so nice. Look at this. It's shiny too, look. Let me see the other side. Right there. It's slick and shiny. There you go. So it works really well. Look at this, guys. It's just a shiny, glossy hair. Makes my hair shiny and glossy and more straighter. I can say that it's still worth the price, but it's too much trouble when the Dyson company itself forgot to put that little important chip for your hair straightener, because without that it won't. Let's see. Okay, I will still give this hair straightener, if it's 1 to 10, 8, because I love how it makes my hair so shiny like this. Wow. Okay, I think that will be all, guys, and thank you so much for watching my unboxing and my review. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button for notification. And thank you, and have a wonderful day, and see you next time. Bye. So I'm going to show you guys, this is the charger, or just the, what do you call this, baby? The stand. The stand is so fancy, it looks like the whole telephone. Oh my gosh. Okay,